Hi there, students. Perforce. Okay, perforce is an adverb. It's pretty formal. It means by necessity. It means something is inevitable. It's just a logical conclusion from this and can't be avoided. The other competitor in the competition was much better than me, and perforce I had to accept second place. Okay, there was no option but to do it. I'd really like to buy a new sports model of a BMW, but I just haven't got that sort of money. So perforce, I'm going to have to accept a cheaper car. The English spelling doesn't represent the pronunciation. And perforce, there are problems pronouncing English if you've never seen a word before. So, perforce, unavoidably, necessarily, inevitably. Yeah, something that you can't avoid because it is necessary. Yes, these two people absolutely hate each other, and perforce they are not going to get on well in class. Yeah, so perforce, without regard to what we desire, yeah, it's something that's going to happen whether we like it or not. I didn't want to be rude, and perforce I agreed to help him. Yeah, okay. So perforce, the necessary conclusion of this was, yeah, it was unavoidable. Yeah, by force of circumstance. You could say needs must as well. So needs must when the devil drives. So the devil is driving you, and perforce you do what is necessary to get your way out of that situation. He got a very good mark in the exam. So perforce he studied very hard, and perforce he is a good student. Logically, yeah, it's something that is inextricably linked to this. Okay, so perforce, necessarily, by necessity. Yeah, human beings need to drink water on a regular basis. Perforce, if you live somewhere, you must have a nearby water source. The crop was was severely attacked by insects, and perforce the yield, the produce, the harvest was very low. The logical conclusion of this, okay, perforce, what logically happens? It's forced by circumstances. It's just something that you cannot avoid. The war destroyed much of the industry in the country, and perforce things became grimmer and and less fun after the war finished. Perforce there was a very difficult period by force of circumstances. Yes, this evidence shows perforce that his story is true. Yeah? The evidence says that his story must be true. There's no other way of looking at it. Okay, yes. The policeman found the stolen goods in my possession, and he came to the conclusion that perforce I must have stolen them, even though I hadn't. Okay, so perforce. It's something that's necessary, a necessary conclusion, necessary logic. It can't be otherwise. I think, perforce I am, therefore. Yeah, there can't be any other possibility. Okay, so formality. This is quite a formal word. I think I'd probably give it 6.5 to 7 in formality. Perforce, it's probably not a good word to use in an informal conversation. 7 formality, that means perforce that you should use it in semi-formal and formal contexts. Then as to origin, well, it comes from Old French, well, par force, by force. Okay, so that's the meaning of it. By force, things must be like that. Yeah, he hadn't eaten in 2 days, and perforce he was hungry. So a good word to use. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Perforce.